An awesome part of owning a home is to have your friends and family over for a delicious turkey meal at the holidays. Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. Let's carve a turkey. So everything we need is right here, and that includes a large cutting board. And this is a very sharp knife, and this is a serving fork. This is a wonderful turkey platter. We're Amazon affiliates, and we're going to put a link in the description below so that you can get your own turkey platter. And of course you need a turkey. So in this video, we're going to show you first off how to remove all of the meat from the turkey, and secondly, how to make a very nice presentation for your guests. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Right, Claire? I think Claire is just hoping she gets some turkey. All right, so we need to remove the wings and the legs. These wings have a little joint there, and all you have to do is cut along that joint and the wing comes right off. All right, to remove the leg, all you gotta do is pull it out a little bit away from the turkey and then just try to find the joint. And then you'll just cut it along the cartilage there and it'll come right off. I will do the same thing with the other one. Next we'll be removing the breast meat. And to do that, you just make a cut along the top and you just kind of feel. All right, so we're going to cut all the breast meat into slices. Now we're going to remove the meat from the thighs. The meat from the thighs and the legs are all dark meat. We're separating that out. We'll give people their choice between white and dark meat. All right, so for this carcass, you can just flip it upside down and the dark meat will be on the bottom and you can remove all of that. And this is how the carcass should look after you have everything removed. And actually here by the neck is the wishbone. So you can remove that if you want to make a wish for the new year. All right, so here's our platter. This is the way we like to do our presentation. We separate so that there's white meat, there's dark meat, and the dark meat is mainly here in the middle, but people can also choose to have the leg or the wing if that's something that they want. But anyway, that makes for a really good looking presentation for your guests. All right, so that's all there is to carving a turkey. If you got anything out of this video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks very much for viewing. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in this video.